Hey guys, welcome to JPM Atelier. It's assembly time. Now the body of the NAN8, the Mercedes, is now complete. The subframes are painted, the wheels are done. So what we're going to do is go to the paint shop, put the subframe back on, put the wheels on so we can roll the car around, roll it onto the tow truck, bring it back to the JPM headquarters and start the whole assembly process. So here we go. I didn't get a chance to show this before because we're trying to work quickly, get the job done as quickly as possible, but these are the front subframe bushings. As you can see, they are in horrible condition. So yeah, I'm gonna get rid of these. And we've got fresh new ones to install onto the subframe. So now the vibrations are not gonna pass through onto the body of the car and the car should run beautiful.
Nice.
All right, as we can see, the car is ready. We're not gonna show you that side because that side is already completely put together and it's gonna ruin the element of surprise. So we'll show you this side. The car is completely done. After this, we're gonna take it back to the two-post hoist, get the subframes installed, get everything installed underneath again, and then we take it back to JPM headquarters. So we'll be technically doing the reverse of everything we've done from the beginning. So if you take a look at it now, the glass has been installed. I can't touch it because it's just freshly installed. Ready for the chrome pits to be installed as well. So yeah, she's ready. One point I wanted to point out is, remember this section here? We had a big, massive hole right here and I was picking on it from the inside. But you can see now, all fresh new metal installed and it's solid. So we're good to go. And remember, the sections we will show with all the rust holes and everything was all along this part. As you can see now, it is all nice, beautiful and smooth. Check it out. And from the inside we can look at it as well. All beautifully repaired. All seam sealed as well, so the chances of water getting inside again is highly unlikely, and that's what we want. Alright, so now the car is up on the hoist, ready for us to put the subframes in. But while we're down here, let's have a look. Look at the quality of work that they've done. It's beautiful. Everything been cleaned up. All the holes have been, like all the rust holes that were in the car, completely filled in. All that's left now is the original factory holes that you put, like for example, screws and bolts and stuff like that into, So yeah, everything back to complete standard and ready for us to put the subframes in. So it looks so clean under here that it makes you not want to drive the car. But then in Australia, this is the type of work we do as well. For example, when it comes to a car show, they will put the car up on a jack stand and put a mirror underneath on the floor. So then you can look at the build quality from underneath. And this is up to the standards that they use in the show cars over there. So it's really nice, really nice. All right, finally got the rear subframe in. I actually had to remove the springs and the absorbers because the pressure from the springs were not allowing me to bolt it up. So I had to remove them in order to put them in properly. Yeah? But now everything's in, everything's aligned. We've got the spring compressors there. We're gonna compress the springs, put the springs in, then once again use the weight of the car to push the car down. Then we can install the absorbers back in, and then the car should be ready to move. So let's get that done, huh? All right, if you're wondering why we didn't get these springs powder coated or resprayed, it's because honestly, they don't last. I mean, the paint or the powder coating will not last. Why? Because these are constantly moving, right? So paint will crack, same with powder coating will crack as well. So we're gonna leave them as they are and just put them back in. Now, how to compress these to put back in, you need this special tool. It's a design for Mercedes springs, and how they work is that you put one of the plates inside, facing downwards, you know, with the coupling facing towards the spring. The same with the opposite side. And how you do it is that you can lay it down like this, and you get this piece here, which comes from in between. Put it all the way through. I got the wrong side up. Okay, hang on. This one needs to be on the top, this one needs to be on the bottom. Okay. Put it in all the way through till you get it to the other side. And then from there, if you notice, you got one set of holes that you can put it through, and then you got the other hole that locks it into place. And then from there, you just start tightening here. These are considered probably the safest spring compressors available in the market, because the ones that come from the side here, when they slip, believe it or not, they shoot out. And ask me how I know this. This is the part they never show you on TV, you know, how long this takes to compress. An eternity later. All right, this is compressed as much as I can hold it. If you compare it to how it was originally, we've gone down that much. How much would I say? That's probably 10 to 15 centimeters, huh? So yeah, and not just that, like I feel safe with this, you know? If you're using the ones on the side, you would not feel safe, trust me. All right, let's get these in. Be careful with the paint. And then they're gonna bring the car to us tomorrow to the JPM headquarters. Then we can start putting the engine, gearbox, fuel lines, wiring, aircon, everything to get this car back on the road. So let's carry on, huh?